Hey everyone! Today we're diving headfirst into the dynamic world of karate, a martial art that's not only about physical strength but mental prowess as well. So buckle up as we unlock the secrets of karate and learn how it can transform more than just your physical abilities. First off, let's talk about the basics. Karate is a striking art that uses punching, kicking, knee strikes, and elbow strikes. But what sets karate apart from other martial arts? It's the emphasis on kata. Kata are detailed choreographed patterns of movements practiced either solo or in pairs. Think of them as a detailed library of fighting techniques and strategies, preserved through generations. Now, moving on, karate isn't just about fighting. It's a pathway to self-discipline and improvement. Each stance and strike in karate is performed with a specific intention, focusing highly on self-control and ethical behavior. It's fascinating how karate uses the concept of kima, which means to decide to focus all your energy into a single moment, exemplifying the incredible control and concentration required. But here's where it gets really interesting. Karate competition. These aren't just random brawls. They are highly regulated, with rules that ensure safety and fairness. Competitors earn points for techniques that are landed cleanly, with good form and proper timing. It's like a dance, where precision meets power. For those of you who think karate is just about physical activity, think again. There's a deep philosophical backbone to it, inspired by Zen Buddhism. It teaches Karate Do, the way of karate, which is about developing character and enduring life's challenges with grace and humility. It's about being better, not just as a fighter, but as a human being. So whether you're looking to improve your physical fitness, gain a new skill, or even enrich your spiritual life, karate has something to offer, and who knows, maybe it's the first step towards discovering a whole new you. Thanks for watching. Dive deeper, push your limits, and maybe, just maybe, you'll find yourself adopting the way of karate into your everyday life. See you in the next one.